Dell still Alienware's design? Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the design differences between the $1,500 Alienware M15 and the $1,000 Dell G15. I've had these two laptops for sale, and each time I take a look at them, I cannot but notice how strikingly similar they both look. Some might even say it's the same design. And I know a lot of people might have the same thoughts, so let's dive into it. Please bear in mind that I will not be doing a technical review of these laptops, as I want to focus on the design similarities and differences between them. Here are the specifications and prices on both of these laptops for those that are interested. Let's talk about the chargers. Starting out, the Alienware comes with a massive 240 watt charger, while the Dell G15 comes with a 180 watt charger. Both chargers are pretty beefy, but god, the Alienware looks chunky. I really dislike Windows chargers because of this particular reason. When it comes to materials, both laptops come with a plastic finish, which feels pretty good. This Alienware model comes in a dark moon color, which runs consistently throughout its body. However, its color choice and its glossy finish make it a fingerprint magnet. On the other hand, the G15 comes in a unique color called Phantom Grey with speckles. However, to me it simply looks like a dull white color with a bit of grey speckles sprinkled around it, which gives a distinctive appearance. This material on the G15 doesn't show fingerprints, but it does show dirt and scratches due to its color. Both laptops feel good in terms of material, but personally, I find the material on the Alienware to look and feel a bit more premium. The Alienware logo is placed at the top center with the M15 lettering at the bottom right, while the G15 just features the Dell logo at the center, with no lettering on it. Both laptops are 15-inch in size and have similar dimensions. However, when it comes to weight, the Alienware feels heavier and denser compared to the G15. On the bottom, we have the same speaker and air vent placement, with the Alienware going with a honeycomb design on its intakes and the G15 going with a simpler dashed design. They both come with 2 fans each, which proves to be enough to handle the heat from these systems while they are under load. The speakers on both are decent at best, with the Alienware being the clear winner, providing more volume and clarity, while the Dell G15 just sounds like a little child trying to sing. Hold on. It's not that bad, honestly. For some people, this might be a deal breaker, but I know a lot of people are okay running with external speakers or headphones anyway, so it really doesn't matter to people like that. Moving on to the ports. On the right, you have the only port differences between these two laptops, with the Alienware coming with 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1s and the Dell G15 with 2 USB 2.0s. On the left of both, you have an Ethernet port and an audio combo port, but included with the G15 is your battery indicator. Also on the back, they both share a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, an HDMI port, and your barrel power adapter port. Flipping open these laptops, the hinges on both feel similar in tuning, with the G15 feeling a bit stiffer. However, because of how dense the Alienware laptop is, you can get it open with just one hand, unlike the Dell, which would move out of place. So far, the design language on both looks pretty similar, but hold on. When it comes to RGB lighting, things get pretty interesting. The Alienware features RGB on its logo, power button, rear vent, and keyboard, all of which can be controlled with the Alienware command center. I mean, how will people know I spent so much money on my super fast Alienware gaming laptop with a massive refresh rate of 165 Hz? While the G15 takes a more simplistic approach by only including an orange LED in its keyboard, which for some is just enough lighting. If you haven't subscribed by now, please do. Also, please like and leave a comment under this video. And also, if you have friends that might enjoy my type of videos, please share my videos to them. So far, the design on both of these look quite similar on the outside with just a couple of differences, which might get some of you thinking, did Dell steal Alienware's design? The simple answer is no. So before I explain, I want you to note that the name of this Alienware laptop isn't just Alienware M15, it's Dell Alienware M15. Do you know what this means? It simply means that Dell owns Alienware. Let me explain. Dell has different laptops lined up, like the Alienware and the G series for gaming, the XPS and the Inspiron for your average consumer, the Latitude and the Vostro for business people, and the Precision as a workstation replacement. What this means is that Dell has some access to the design resources and expertise from each of its categories, so sometimes you might see some of the design elements in a particular category being used in the other. So while the G15 and the Alienware M15 looks similar, it is no coincidence or foul play at all. Dell actually leveraged some of the designs from the Alienware and brought it over into the Dell G15. And if you notice, you realize that some companies actually do have similar designs across different of its categories. Getting these laptops open, we are first greeted by the matte screens. But before that, let's talk about the bezels. They both have very similar bezels, which are pretty small on the top and both sides, but still carry a pronounced chin, which for me disrupts the minimal look. Kinda looks like a guy with a little side beard and a large goatee if you get the picture. Both the M15 and the G15 come with 15-inch 1080p panels, which both reach a screen brightness of 300 nits, which isn't considered high-end by 2024 standards. Now, here's where things get interesting and a couple of different stats to set in. For color accuracy, the Alienware boasts a 95% sRGB coverage. On the other hand, the Dell G15 sits at 56% sRGB coverage, making the Alienware a better choice for gamers and creators who need precise color representation. The Dell G15 is nonetheless a good choice for gamers who are looking for a fast screen that is also good enough for media consumption. Moving on to their keyboard, the Alienware comes with a high quality cherry mechanical keyboard, which has very good travel distance and overall feels very premium when typing. The keyboard on the G15 also offers good typing and gaming experience, but make no mistake, it is not a mechanical keyboard, which makes it feel a bit less premium than the Alienware. Regarding the keyboard layout, I much prefer the spacious design of the Alienware keyboard over the G15's, which manages to cram a numpad in, making the keyboard feel very cramped. And God, let's not talk about the navigation keys, which look like it was designed for children with tiny hands. I know people who work in the 3D space would definitely appreciate the inclusion of a numpad. Moving on to their touchpad, I was quite surprised to see that they both come with a plastic touchpad, as I expected the more expensive Alienware M15 to come with a glass touchpad. They both track decently for day-to-day use, but their small sizes make them a pain to use. Now that we have seen the similarities and the differences between these two laptops, I would like to know two things. First, do you prefer the design choices on the Alienware or the Dell G15? Honestly, for me, it's half and half. Secondly, if you had the money, would you go for the more expensive Alienware M15 or would you save the couple of bucks and go with the G15? Let me hear your thoughts. I'm genuinely curious to know. Thank you very much for sticking to the end of the video. Not a lot of people can do this and I do appreciate you for being here. Make sure you're subscribed, and if you are, please do make sure that your post notifications are turned on, so when I upload a new video you get to see it first. Till the next one.